Assalamualaikum. My name is SITI binti BAKHARI. We are from Group 2. We present on our 3 proposed project. The purpose of the assignment is to practice and conduct a value management workshop based on the value methodology standard. For our group, we are proposing 3 projects, that is 3-story premium cafeteria, double-story homestay, and badminton hall. Value management is concerned with creation sustainable value either at project, product, process, organization, or social level. The importance of the value management is to provide a more precise description of project goal to avoid wasting money, unnecessary expenditure, cut down on waste, and improving teamwork and inter-party communication.
For the purpose of this report, this case study is conducted in accordance with the objective of Edutourism Campus in UTM Johor Bahru to upgrade all locations that have an attraction within the campus for the benefit of the students, visitors, university residents, as well as the surrounding community. In this matter, the strategic location chosen to be redeveloped and upgraded with additional attraction is the Observatory Tower, including its surrounding areas. Therefore, as the objective of this redevelopment is to attract more visitors to the area and be able to generate sufficient income to UTM, our group as a consultant will assess each project proposal that can give maximum benefits to the client through value management workshop. Therefore, a value management workshop is carried out for 5 days starting on 27 of June 2022 until 1st July 2022 at Studio Ukubahan Jabatan Alam Bina UTM Johor Bahru. The proposed development project to upgrade the observatory tower, including its surrounding areas, are commercial and recreational buildings, such as cafeteria, homestay, and badminton hall. All 3 proposals are chosen based on its suitability to be developed at the observatory tower area. The estimated budget is 3 million allocated by the client and 3 years of construction period, with a target market among students and staff of UTM as well as the public. All 3 proposals will be evaluated through the value methodology standard. Hence, the project proposal that fulfill all requirements of the client with high return of investment will be chosen. For the value management team member, Goh Hyun Yun is the team coordinator. Meanwhile, Muhammad Kashfi bin Muhammad DIAH is the architect. Apart from that, Chau Shumin is the engineer and NILAM SARI binti YUSOFF is the quantity surveyor. Finally, Siti MARDIANA binti BAKHARI is the end user. The activity of value management workshop is conducted in 5 days starting from information phase, creativity phase, evaluation phase, development phase, and finally presentation. On the first day of information phase, the activity are define clients' requirements and objective of the study, gather the project information, identify and classify the required function on the project, determine the cost of function, evaluate each function, and developing project fast diagram. On the second day, the activity for creativity phase are compile project ideas, encourage participants to think creatively out of the both towards innovative solution for value of money and recognition of valuable ideas suitable for the project. On the third day, the activity for evaluation phase are screen the ideas generated during the creativity phase, evaluate and select ideas, eliminate impractical ideas, and develop and writing each alternative by using criteria scoring matrix method. The activity on the fourth day for development phase are develop the ideas selected into practicable proposal, study on the alternative design supported by backup calculation, sketches, and description of cost, evaluate the LCC for the selected project, and finalize approaches. Finally, the fifth day is for presentation, where they present the proposed design to client and design team and present the major recommendations. The table shows the cost summary for each individual proposal. It can be seen that the estimated total building cost for each proposed project development is on average of between 1 million and 3.5 million, which are anticipated to fall within the agreed upon budgetary allocation. The cost of development for the double-story homestay is the lowest, while the badminton hall is the most expensive. Meanwhile, 3-story premium cafeteria is at intermediate. Each proposal will be evaluated using functional analysis based on its opportunities, constraints, strategies, and other necessary project criteria such as construction costs, operational costs, and maintenance costs, or whether it is in line with the overall project duration provided. Finally, the analysis is determined in compliance with the client's requirement to produce a high-return development.
My name is Go Yun Yun. Now let us look on the first proposal, which is 3-story premium cafeteria. The approximate GFA for this project is 1,340 meters square. The story height for each floor is 3.50 and it is a rectangular shaped building. This premium cafeteria consists of 3 stories where each story serves with different purpose. Ground floor is served for cafe area, which included an indoor and outdoor sitting area, kitchen area, and toilet. First floor is served for reading and group discussion area, which included a sitting and reading area, coffee bar, restroom, and skylight courtyard. Second floor is served for mini activity area, which a mini stage is provided and also consists of a roof garden. The advantage for this proposal is it can provide an extra choice of food and beverage for students and staff, and also able to provide extra choice of place for study and group discussion. So library is no longer the only option available to the student. This premium cafeteria can also provide an extra choice of venue for students or outsiders to conduct a small event, and the roof garden, which provide a greenery view, can indirectly help to relieve stress from study. The disadvantage is it will compete with other nearby arcade in UTM, which serving a cheaper food and beverage.
My name is CHAU. Now I will continue on proposal 2, which is double-story homestay. The GFA is 461 meters square and the story height is 6.5 meters. The shape of the building is a rectangular shape. The space consists of 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms at the first floor, while 1 sitting room, 1 dining room, 1 washroom, 1 study room, and 1 kitchen or family room located at ground floor. The total estimated cost for this homestay is 1,343,425 ringgit and 74 cents. The advantages for this proposal homestay is it provides a place for the staff and students in UTM to release their stress by taking a short vacation. Next, it provides a good selection of place for the visitors to stay overnight. It also provides a place for organization, club or society to conduct their event or activities. Moreover, the price for this homestay is affordable for students when compared to other homestay outside. The disadvantages are that the competition might occur with the existing hotel in UTM, which is Scholar Inn. Next, it might have fewer visitors when semester break as the students go back to their home.
My name is Muhammad KASYFI bin MOHAMAD. We move to proposal 3, that is Badminton Academy building. Total GFA is 3,310 meters square and the story height is 13 meters. The shape are rectangular shape and the space consists of badminton court at ground level. Office and hostel for male and female players are situated at each level separately. The overall cost for this project is estimated 3,334,280 ringgit and 60 cents. The advantages for purpose project is professional trainer who will guide students master their skill and technique on court to ensure reliability in performance. The price is affordable for students as compared to other badminton facilities outside. Other than that, more capacity can be provided for the sports facilities in UTM than the existing one due to the increased number of students every intake. There are also bigger benefit can be gained from the potential profit of the indoor sport hall as students and young generation are prone to be involved in sport activity. However, the disadvantages for this project are high operation and maintenance costs. Furthermore, it also requires more initial costs due to purchasing the suitable specific material for the construction of the sport hall.
Now let us look on the relevant VM team member comment. All the VM team members have given their comment on these 3 proposals so they can identify the benefit and limitation of this proposal. After After creating the alternative idea, we will then identify the function of each of the proposed project in order to ensure all the VN team have a deeper level of understanding of the project. Also to ensure the proposed project is best fulfill the client needs. Also to identify the cost to worth relationship of each proposal. For these three proposals, each can discover that the value index for proposal 1 is the lowest. Therefore, this indicates that this proposal have many functions as compared with the other two proposals.
A list of question prompts is answered by the value management team during creative phase in order to improve the value without compromising the purpose of the system. This is the answer that have been given by the value management team. Our team reviewed the idea in this step to remove the unrealistic concept and choose the finest idea to explore. Value management team and client consider the 6 following criteria, that is initial cost, aesthetic, maintenance, durability, time for construction, and lastly expected income. For the initial cost, preliminary engineering design, acquisition of land, building expenditure, and renovation to the existing facility were included in this initial cost. Next, for the aesthetic is on the principal aspect considered in architecture such as shape, size, symmetry, decoration, and others. Next, for the during construction, time allotted to the completion of the specific project. It was correlation between the time and quality of the final project. Then, for the durability is a property defined as an inability to the permanent deform without breaking or shattering under the stress. Then, lastly, for the expected income, a development which a higher projected revenue would selected since the customer is looking for the development that was given a substantial return to the UCM operation and development expenditure. Scoring matrix has been done to determine the most suitable project. First, we need to decide the preference of the criteria between each other. It was indicated for the major preference until the equal preference. After done indicate, the data of the raw score was calculated, and for the assigned rate, it was calculated based on the formula. For the example, for the initial cost, the raw score is 4. It will divide it to reach the highest raw score, that is 60. Then we need to multiply by 10. After that, we will get the assigned rate, that is 2.5. The value methodology consists of 3 stages, that is pre-study phase, workshop, and lastly post-study phase. For the pre-study phase, orientation meeting was arranged to confirm that all the parties that involved in the value management study recognize the study's concept and their position. Then, for the workshop is typically consists of 5 stages. That is information phase, creative phase, evaluation phase, development phase, and lastly presentation phase. Then, for the post-study phase, value management team advice will be taken into the consideration by the decision maker.
Based on the value management workshop, our team evaluated the project proposal suitable in accordance with the information phase, the creativity phase, the evaluation phase, and the development phase. During the collection of information phase, a meeting was arranged to establish the project function. As many major and supplementary functions as possible for the proposed project have been described by the members of our team, leading to the creation of the fast diagram. Based on the roles we played in the workshop throughout the evaluation phase, each project received a relative criticism from each team member. The discussion that was carried out and the suggestion made by each participant formed the framework for the form's evaluation criteria. The order in which proposed project should be carried out was determined using an evaluation matrix form that was created after ideas were given evaluation or scores. This led to the 3-story premium cafeteria receiving the highest score possible and the badminton hall coming in second, meanwhile the double-story homestay came in the 3rd rank. In conclusion, the entire team of this value management research agreed to recommend the 3-story premium cafeteria to UTM as a development project proposal at the Observatory Tower area.